Gurubhyo Nama. Namaskaram. Hello everyone. Welcome to Nalanda's Deaf Shala. I am M.S. Girishan, working as a tutor musician in Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalayam, affiliated Mumbai University, since the last 33 years. I have been a part of the Mohiniyattam team of Nalanda. I got a lot of opportunities to learn and grow as an artist because of my association with Kanak Bahan and Kavalam sir when they used to work on the items of Mohiniyattam. I have also got lot of support from Dr. Umarele, the principal of Nalanda, my other colleagues and staff. I have specialized in Kathakali music, which has the same style of music as that of Sobhana Sangeetam, about which I will be talking today. My focus will be on how Sobhana Sangeetam is connected to Mohiniyattam and what are the differences between Carnatic music and Sobhana Sangeetam, which includes music for Mohiniyattam and Kathakali. I will begin talking about how important is music in any dance form and what makes it important. In simple words, music explains a plot or a story which is shown through dance. People may not understand the expressions in dance completely, but when music is added to it, then the rhythm, melody, emotion that music brings not only makes the expression clear but also creates a beautiful mood. So for every dancer, it is equally important to have knowledge about music so that they can explain the emotions in the most beautiful way. I will show an example showing difference between just reciting a jati without any music and the same with music which is used in dance. First, jati. Teyyumata, teyyumata, ta, teyyumata, ta, ta, ta. Kritika teyyumata, teyyumata, ta, teyyumata, ta, ta, ta. With music. Teyyumata, teyyumadatta, teyyumadatta, ta, ta. Kritika teyyumada, teyyumadatta, teyyumadatta, ta, ta. Other one jati. Dheem, ta, takatikutam, ta, takatikutam. Takatikutam, takita takatu, dhimin takatu, dhimin takatu, dhimin takadiku takaditi. With music. Dhi takatikuta, tatakatikuta, tatakatikuta, takita tagado, dhimin tagato, dhimin tagato, dhimin tagadigu tagaditi. Other one jati. Tarikinam, kakutaka takarikinam, takukukinam, kinam, 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 nakatarikita tanare, tandanare, tanare, dhimitaka tandanare, dhimitaka tanare, tandanare. Tanatindaka tandanare. With music. Tarikinam, കക്കുത്തക തകരിക്കണം തക്കു കിണം 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 നകതരികിട താനാരേ തന്തനാരേ താനാരേ ധിമിതക തന്തനാരേ ധിമിതക താനാരേ തന്തനാരേ താനതിന്തക തന്തനാരേ. Every dance form has different type of music. Like Mohiniyattam, which is a very graceful, gentle dance form, needs an equally gracious, emotional music, or we call it Bhava Sangeetam, and that is derived from Sobhana Sangeetam. Sobhana Sangeetam is a music form that is evolved in Kerala. It is a form of musical worship where the devoted artist performs this song inside the temple at the left side of the Sobhanam, that is the sacred step. It is not performed to please the audience but also as a form of devotion. Normally, the artist also plays the rhythm on Yadakka and Chengila. Sobhana Sangeetam, which was previously known as a Kuttipadi Seva, is popularly used style of music in Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Now I will sing a portion of Sobhana Sangeetam called Ashtabadi, taken from Git Govind, in two different styles. The way it is sung inside a temple and the way it is sung for dance. Sung inside the temple goes like this. Sakhiye Keshimadana Udayaram Niprita Nikunja Griham Gadayadishi Ragasi Niliya Vasantam Chakita Vilokita Sagala Disharati Rabasarasena Hasantam Sakhiye Keshimadanaya Udayaram Ramaya Maya Saga Madana Manoratha Bhavitaya Savigayaram Sakhiye Keshimadana Udayaram Sakhiye. Now I am singing for dance. Sakhiye Keshimadana Udayaram Niprata Nikunja Griham Kadayadishi Ragasi Niliya Vasantam Niprata Nikunja Griham Gadayadishi Ragasi Niliya Vasantam Chakita Vilokita Sagala Disharati
रभसरसेन हसन्तं सखी हे केशिमदन उदारं रमयमया सगमदन मनोरथ भाविदया सविकारं सखी हे केशिमदन उदारं सखी हे
Other one.
निंदती चंदन इंदु किरण मनु विंदती खेदमधीरं व्यालनिलय मिलने नगरलमिव कलयति मलय समीरं साविरहे तव दीना कृष्णा साविरहे तव दीना.
Now for dance.
निंदति चंदनम इंदु किरण मनु विंदति खेदमधीरं व्यालनिलय मिलनेन गरलमिव कलयति मलय सवीरं साविरगे तव दीना कृष्णा साविरगे तव दीना.
Now I will talk about the difference between Carnatic music and Sobhana Sangeetam. Before starting with the difference, I would like to make few points clear. Mohiniyattam and Kathakali are two different dance forms, but the song for both are taken from Sobhana Sangeetam, and so they have similar style of music. So when I am explaining differences between Carnatic music and Sobhana Sangeetam, I will be talking about Sobhana Sangeetam style of music which is used in Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Basically differences. Instruments like tambura or tambura, violin, mridangam, khadam are used for Carnatic music. These instruments can be tuned to match the shruti or pitch of the singer. In Sobhana Sangeetam, derived Mohiniyattam music, these instruments except khadam are used along with an idakya. But in Sobhana Sangeetam, derived Kathakali music, none of these instruments are used. Here, chanda and madalam are used, which cannot be tuned to any other pitch. The only instrument used for the pitch is idakya. In second one, in Carnatic music, singer does not use thala by hand while doing alavanam. In Sobhana Sangeetam, for both Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, singer uses thala while doing alavanam. Example, in Carnatic music. Then in Kathakali or Sobhana Sangeetam. Third one, the Alavanam that I mentioned earlier is improvised a lot in Carnatic music. In pure Sobhana Sangeetam, there is no improvisation in Raga Alavanam. In Mohiniyattam, music derived from Sobhana Sangeetam, normally the singer does not do improvisation for Raga Alavanam because the violin covers it. But to add more expression and feel to the dance, sometimes the singer also does not certain extent. In Kathakali or Mohiniyattam, there is no improvisation in Raga Alavanam. I will show an example of Alavanam with improvisation in Carnatic music. Now, without improvisation in Sobhana Sangeetam. Nearly 30 ragas in Carnatic music are also used in Sobhana Sangeetam. But in Kathakali style of music, some of these ragas have different names. Some of these common ragas are Kalyani, Kamboji, Todi, Mohanam, Shankarabharanam, Mukhari, Bhairavi, Yadugala Kamboji, Danyasi, etc. are very popular in Sobhana Sangeetam. Out of these, in Kathakali, Kamboji is called Kamodari, Dhanyasi as Dhanashi, Kedaragolam as Kedaragaulam, etc. Ragas like Padi, Khandaram, Purunire, Kanakurini, Samanta Malhari are used in Mohiniyattam and Kathakali, but not in Carnatic music. Now I am going to sing an Alavanam in Padi and Samanta Malhari. First I am singing Padi. സാമന്ത മലഹരി. The next difference point is that in Kathakali and Mohiniyattam style of Sopana Sangeetam, we can express different emotion in the same ragam. For example, in Khandaram, which is a ragam not in Carnatic music, we can express anger and sadness. Sadness. Another example is Kedarugalam, which is a ragam in both Carnatic and Mohiniyattam. We can express bhakti and anger.
വരമരുളനേ ദേവാ വരമരുളനേ ദേവാ സവിതൃ സുത അടിയനോ വരമരുളനേ ദേവാ സവിതൃ സുത അടിയനോ വരമരുളനേ ദേവാ.
Anger.
യുദ്ധ പ്രഹാര ഘാതന വികൃത ചേതന വിദാരണൈ ഇവ സംഗ്രാമ സംഭ്രമഗദ്യരേബി സംജായതേ രൗദ്രക രൗദ്രക.
Talam in Carnatic and Kathakali music are same, but with different names. Names such as first Chaturashradi Tripura Talam in Carnatic and Chambada in Kathakali 8 akshas. Then Mishradhi Chamba in Carnatic and Chamba in Kathakali and Mohiniyattam with 10 beats. Then Khandajadi Ada in Carnatic and Adanda in Kathakali with 14 beats. Then Chaturashradi Rupagam in Carnatic and Panjari in Kathakali and Mohiniyattam with 6 beats. And Mishrajadi Tripura in Carnatic and Tripura in Kathakali 7 beats. Carnatic music and Sopana Sangeetam has 3 types of speed in Tala, but names differ. Such as first speed is called Vilambam in Carnatic music and Padinagalam in Sovana Sangeetam. Second speed Madhyamam in Carnatic music and Idavatam in Sovana Sangeetam. Then for third speed Drudam in Carnatic music, Murgiya Kalam in Sovana Sangeetam. In Carnatic music normally only one person sings, but in Kathakali there are two singers singing. Similarities. Though there are lot of differences, there are also few similarities between these two types of music. The main similarity is Shruti and Layam, which forms the foundation for both Sovana Sangeetam and Carnatic music. The other similarity, which is not very often used in both the styles of music, but at the same time is very interesting similarity, is the Talam. In both these styles of music, it's not necessary to have the same Talam throughout the song. One example,
നീരദ സമനീല കൃഷ്ണ യേഹി ജയ ജയ പാഹി നിഗമാഗമ വിനുതാ ഭവ ഭയചരണ ചരിത ജയ നീരദ സമനീല കൃഷ്ണ മകരകുണ്ടല ധരിത മഹനീയ വേഷ സകല ജനമുനിഗണ സമൂഹ മനമോഹ ധര കടക കര ജല ജല ജ്വലിത ജാല തകത കിട്ട തതികിന ത്വം തിത്തം സാസ മദനി സാസ ഗമദനീനി നിദമ പപമ ഗമനി സാസ മദനി സാസ ഗമദനീനി നിദമ പപമ ഗമനി സ തക്കു ദിന്നം തരിഗു തരികിട ഗുഗു തത്തി കുകു തണകു ഡിം ഡിം കുടിനു കുടകു കിടക തരികിട നീരദ സമ നീല കൃഷ്ണ.
then other Mohiniyattam.
കച്ചട്ടറു ഗണപതി അരുൾ തടിയടിയനെ കർഗുത്ത 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 ഢീക്കു ഢീക്കു തക ഢീക്കു ഢീക്കു തകത കരിക്കത കിട്ടേം തക്കിടകിടതക മാരണമാം ഉലകത്തിൽ മതിമയങ്കി മതികെട്ട് പൂരണത്തെ ഇകൾ താരയ്യ പാരണത്തിൽ മനം പെற்று പൂരണത്തെ കാത്താൻ பாஷி என்று சிவயோகால் வாழ்கையாச்சு சிவயோகால் வாழ்கையாச்சு கணபதி காப்பு.
I am once again specifying I have explained Sovana Sangeetam in terms of Kathakali and Mohiniyattam style of music because that is what I am specialized in. Pure Sovana Sangeetam is only sung in temples with devotion. So, in order to clearly explain differences, I thought it is better to take Mohiniyattam and Kathakali music which is taken from Sovana Sangeetam. That is the reason I kept specifying Mohiniyattam or Kathakali music that is taken from Sovana Sangeetam throughout my video. I hope my explanation is clear for all and thank you so much for watching my video. Nandi, Namaskaram.